Hi, ever wondered how C++ hears the same function name but still knows exactly what you want? What is a function? A function is like a machine or helper that does one specific job. Imagine a juice machine. You give fruits, machine processes them, you get juice. So what is happening here? Input to work to output. In programming, a function takes some input, does something, and gives output sometimes. Let's break it down. Here int is output type, returns a number. Add is the function name. Int a, int b is inputs. We call them parameters. Return a plus b. Addition is the work done and output is returned. So how do you use it? Call add open parenthesis 2, comma 3 close parenthesis. As assign it to variable result, let's print the output. You get the output as 5. So here is the definition. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a task. Why use functions? Without function, your code will look like this. With function, your code will look like this. 1. Less repetition. 2. Cleaner code. 3. Easier debugging. Now let's see what is function overloading. Function overloading is nothing but functions having same name but different parameters. And how do we use it? A print 10, print 10.5, print high. And the compiler decides based on the argument type. Now, coming to templates. What is a template? A template is a blueprint for creating functions or classes that work with different data types. In simple words, write once, use for many types. Let's break this down now. Template type name T, meaning hey compiler, T can be any data type. T could be int float double char. Now, what is template overloading? It is nothing but just like normal function overloading. You can have multiple templates or template plus normal functions with different parameter patterns. Here is an example. Why overload templates? Because sometimes you want different number of inputs, different behavior, more flexibility. So here is the final thought on function and template overloading. Imagine you say add. If you give 2 and 3, C++ adds integers. If you give 2.5 and 3.5, C++ adds decimals. Same function name, different input. That is function overloading. But what if you don't want to write separate functions for every type? That's where templates come in. A template is like telling C++, whatever type I give you, figure it out. And template overloading is when you have a general version but also a special version for important cases. Function overloading is like multiple doors with the same name. Templates are like one smart door that adjusts itself.